Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to view and use the new HQR dashboard for single facilities. Upon logging into the HQR site, you land on the new dashboard. This dashboard provides you an overall view of your submission status and program updates, as well as additional resources and contact information. Not all submission periods will contain submission statuses. In the Submission section, you can review your submission statuses for the programs your facility participates in. There will be 3 sections: Open Submission Periods, Upcoming Submission Periods, and Closed Submission Periods. If you would like to view only a specific program, you can select it from the drop-down menu here. Under each subsection, you will find the program name, the quality initiative, and the submission period all listed. To the right, you will also see the date the submission period closes or closed. The closest due dates will be shown at the top of the section. In the Open Submission Period section, a green check mark will display if you have met the requirements, and a yellow check mark will display if you did not meet the requirements. Submission periods that have recently opened will also be noted. Not all submission periods will contain submission statuses. In the Upcoming Submission Periods, you will see a date when each upcoming period will open and when it will close. In the Closed section, you will see past submission periods and when they closed. To view more information on a quality initiative, click on the blue Program and Measure information, and you will be brought to Data Submission. Here, you can submit data for the selected program or quality initiative. To go back to the dashboard, go to the menu on the left-hand side and select Dashboard. To the right, you will find program updates that link to QualityNet. To change the program in this section, select the drop-down filter here and select the program you wish to view. Any new updates will show a tag with New next to it. You can also find resources here from QualityNet, the Quality Reporting Center, or access HQR how-to videos. If you need support, you can select this link that will take you to the CCSQ Support Central, or you can email or call with your questions. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.